Experiencing frequent Wi-Fi drops with your Xfinity modem? You're not alone. A common cause is interference or channel congestion. First, restart your modem. A simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches. Check Xfinity's website or app for reported outages in your area. If the problem persists, the issue likely lies within your home network setup. Start by accessing your modem settings, usually through a web browser by typing 10.0.0.1 in the address bar. The default username is admin and password is password if you haven't changed it. The next step depends on the problem. Once logged into your modem settings, navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Here, you can manually select Wi-Fi channels for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to identify less congested channels in your area. Switching to these channels can drastically reduce interference from neighboring networks. Also, be aware of common household items that cause interference, like microwaves and cordless phones. Position your modem away from these devices and metal objects. For larger homes or areas with weak signal, consider Xfinity Pods. These mesh Wi-Fi extenders create a seamless network. Place them strategically, roughly 30 to 50 feet apart with line of sight to the modem. Use the Xfinity app to manage and optimize their performance. The Xfinity app has AI-driven optimization to detect and fix drops caused by channel congestion or interference. Ensure your modem's firmware is up to date, as updates often include fixes for Wi-Fi stability issues.